Rewards. What about intrinsic motivation? Aren't you just getting rid of any intrinsic motivation? It's a valid point. Let's get into understanding reinforcement. My name is Mandy Grass. I'm a behavior analyst and a parent coach. The first thing I want to say is that any behavior that is existing or increasing is coming in contact with reinforcement, even all those positive things you want to say. The other question I would have for you when people say this to me is, okay, how do we build intrinsic motivation then? Now, we can dig our heels in and say, my children should want to empty the dishwasher because that is part of being a family and they should want to. And maybe some kids will. Maybe they'll be super motivated by your praise, or maybe they're like me and they really like a clean countertop, so like having the dishes put away works. But if that doesn't exist, what are you going to do? You need to. Now, you might make it slightly aversive, in which case they might engage in the behavior to avoid you being upset, right? Or we tie something external to it. Hey, you get your chore done 3 days in a row, you earn 2 stars, whatever that might look like. And then you fade. Reinforcement is not forever, but you can absolutely build intrinsic motivation using external reinforcement. And then be really mindful about fading. And there's a variety of ways to fade. We can increase the complexity of the demand. We can increase the duration or frequency that they must engage in the behavior. Or sometimes it just happens naturally. Using intermittent reinforcement can be really helpful. But keep that in mind. How do we get intrinsic motivation when it doesn't inherently exist? Give it a try in your home. Let me know how it goes.